Okay guys, good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we just completed an installation somewhere in Lagos, and I want to seize this opportunity to talk a little bit about inverter systems, solar inverter system basically, and then also use the opportunity to show you guys the inverter system that we use there and what it can actually do. So inverter system does only one job in solar. It's like the center of any solar installation. It's like the brain box of any solar installation. And the key job that inverter system does is to convert DC power or DC voltage to AC voltage. And what is DC voltage? DC voltage is the type of voltage that comes from the solar panels and also from batteries. So what this inverter does is to transfer that DC voltage, or to convert that DC voltage or DC power, as you decide to call it, into AC power. What is AC power? AC power is the type of power that you use on your appliances, that your appliances use or you use at home, right? Your TV, your fan, your AC, they all use AC power. And what AC power means? Alternating current. Why DC means direct current. So the work of the inverter is to take energy from the solar panels or from the battery and convert it to what is usable for your home. It's as simple as that. Once the inverter does that, it has done its job. Okay, so we have different types of inverter, and we're not going to go into that right now. Maybe in subsequent videos, which we are going to record in the studio, we're going to talk about different types of inverter, classes of inverters that is being used in solar energy installation. But for now, this inverter we have here is a 10 kVA pure sine wave inverter system. 10 kVA pure sine wave inverter system, and it's non-hybrid. What it means is that it doesn't have a charge controller inside of it. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to talk about this in details in some other videos. But this inverter is transformer based, so it has a transformer inside of it, and we all know what transformer does. So like I said, it's a 10 kVA system. Or in kilowatt value, you say 8 kilowatts. However, in another video, I'll still describe all this and explain to you the difference between kVA and kilowatts. But for now, what this inverter does here is to convert the DC current coming from the solar panel and the battery into AC that's usable. We have two sets of inverters here. Each of them is a 10 kVA inverter. And what is their job? Just like I've described, they convert is DC to AC. These two inverters are connected in parallel. Parallel connection means two of them are working together as one. So instead of having individual 10 kVAs, the two of them is working together to form a 20 kVA system. And that's why this system is called a 20 kVA system. So we have one 10 kVA here and one 10 kVA here, and two of them are working together to form as one. Remember, like I said, they are the same inverter, same capacity, same type, same model, and everything is the same. So currently it's working. You can see it here. Both of them are working together. Currently, this one is working at the slave. This one is working at the slave, and this one is working at the master. So the need for master and slave is the selection that the inverter has to take on for us to have a control from one. So the one working as master controls the one working as slave. Remember, the way the configuration works, they can easily change. You might on this inverter and on it, you might off this inverter and on it again, and this one becomes the master and this one becomes the slave. So there are two individual inverters, but right now they are not working independently. They are working together as one inverter, and because of the parallel configuration. In subsequent video we're going to describe the connection, the parallel connection of inverters, and the need why every installer should know how to do it, or also do it to boost power. So I think that will be all for now. So take care. Please, if you like this video up to now, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be among the first to get it. So see you guys later. Bye bye.